Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix mail app not showing latest email on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about their mail app is not showing the latest emails on their iPhone after updating to iOS 17 and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you don't know how to fix this, don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to pull to refresh. In the mail app, try pulling down on the email list to refresh it manually. Sometimes this simple action can promote the app to fetch the latest email. After this, then you have to restart mail app. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close the app and then try reopening it. After restarting your mail app, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve various issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings. Go back and then go to general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting your iPhone, then you have to update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your settings to a latest version of iOS 17. After this, and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to clear your email cache. Unfortunately, the mail app on iPhone don't have a specific cache clearing option. However, deleting and re-adding the email account can help clear any potential cache issue. So you have to do a simple log out your email account and then delete your email account and then re-add it and see if the issue persists or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. Simply tap on general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.